So BLS International Services, an IT company, has given phenomenal return to its investors, and I have done the complete analysis of the stock in my previous videos as well. And now we are getting to see that BLS International Services has been going sideways for quite some time now, which could be over very soon, or in fact it is already over and it could be getting ready for another rally. So in this video I'm going to give you the price action update on BLS International Services, and we'll discuss why this could be a good time to make an entry in this stock, if for fresh investments as well as also if you want to add more units of this stock which is already existing in your portfolio at a lower price, then also it is a good time for it. So let's get started, but please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video, this is just an educational and informational video, right? So with that said, let's get started. Alright, so hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is BLS International Services, and you can see it has given very smooth return to its investors. So if I measure from the COVID crash point by going to the weekly time frame, you are going to see some phenomenal numbers. You see, it has given around 5,780% return in 4 years. Okay, from 20th May it is showing, even if you measure from March, okay, still you will get the same. So in 4 years, almost 6,000%. So that's a huge return. Okay, and you can see if I come zoom in here and come closer to this, focus on this point, you can see it has been going sideways. It came down up to this point, it dropped till this point, and then it has been going sideways, showing weakness for quite some time now. But suddenly it is starting to show strength, and this VWAP that I have drawn, that has also been broken by the stock. So what we are going to check is that if this level which it used as a support is actually an area of value or not. So first of all, we are going to use the 40 weeks moving average. Okay, and when I do that, I can clearly see that the 40 weeks moving average is nicely providing support to this stock. Okay, BLS International Services, right? And touching that, it has started showing strength. And if I go to the daily time frame, okay, and check the same thing, okay, here I am in daily time frame. This is the anchored VWAP point, and this is the 200 days moving average, okay, EMA. And if I enable the 50 days moving average with that, you can clearly see that the stock has started showing strength. It has already started using this VWAP line also as its support, and it very soon the 50 days moving average is going to cross over the VWAP line. So in a very simple manner, I would say that the stock could be starting a big rally, from this point itself. We should not say big rally, we should say that the uptrend could begin, because if we say big rally, then our expectations will be really high. So we should not do that. We should always be a little bit conservative so that we do not get disappointment. If the stock is going to surprise us and give us a big rally instead of a normal one, then obviously it's good for us, no problem. Okay, but there should never be over expectation from any stock. Okay, right? So we can clearly see that all the evidences, like touching from coming out of the consolidation phase, the sideways phase, by touching the 200 days EMA, also breaking out above the anchor VWAP, and also the 50 days EMA turning upwards and starting to provide support. All these things are clearly telling that BLS International Services could be starting an uptrend soon. And if the final answer, that should you make an investment, make an entry right now, I would say definitely yes. And please remember to do the complete analysis by yourself, fundamentals and price action as well. If you feel yes, this is a good time, by yourself, by your independent decision, okay, independent analysis, then only make an entry. But I would say technically this is a very good time, okay, and the stock could continue its rally. Okay, now let's say you are making an entry at this point, current price is around 378. Okay, then where should you take your profit? So I'm going to use the fib retracement tool to find the profit taking targets. Okay, you can see that the 50 level, 50% correction, okay, is lying at 346. Okay, that is actually aligning with the anchored VWAP, you can say, and also the lines that I have drawn. Clearly that has also been turned into a support. Okay, all the signs are clearly telling that uptrend could start soon. Okay, now the profit taking target. So the first target, like always, will be the middle part of these two lines. This is 497, so we can say 500, and this is 532. So consider 515 or 520, let's say. Okay, this is your first target. Okay, second target will obviously be this one. It is showing 594. You can round it up to 600. So this 600 and 520 are the two targets level which you should keep an eye on. And the duration it will take to hit this target could be somewhere between 1 year to 3 year. It could be earlier, but keep a longer time frame in your mind so that you do not get disappointed if it takes a little bit longer. So that is all about BLS International Services. I hope this quick update video was informative and helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community where you will find more stock analysis posts, as well as please check the other channel that I have, the link I have put in the description section. The name is Financial Affairs. The content there is different from what I post here, and I do the analysis in Hindi. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.